Hey everyone, a well-organized workspace can make managing projects much easier. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to customize your Asana workspace by adjusting settings, organizing teams, updating views, and personalizing your workflow. So yeah, let's get started. First, open Asana and sign in to your account. From your workspace, open the Workspace Settings menu. This is where you can manage important options like workspace details, members, permissions, and other customization features. Start by updating your workspace information. You can change the workspace name, add a description, and adjust other details to match your organization. Keeping this information accurate helps team members understand the purpose of the workspace. Next, organize your teams and members. Create separate teams for different departments, projects, or groups. You can also manage invitations, remove inactive members, and adjust access settings to keep your workspace organized. Asana lets you customize how projects are displayed. You can use List View for detailed task tracking, Board View for visual workflows, Calendar View for deadlines, and Timeline View for planning. Choose the views that match your team's working style. Custom fields are another great way to personalize your workspace. You can add fields for priority, status, department, budget, or any other information your team needs to track. These fields make it easier to organize and filter tasks. Managing notifications is important for staying focused. Open your notification settings and choose which updates you want to receive through email, browser alerts, or other channels. This helps you stay informed without too many distractions. You can also organize your Asana navigation by customizing your sidebar. Add important projects, teams, or sections for quick access and remove items you no longer use. A cleaner sidebar makes finding information much faster.